Hello students, now today we discuss the miscellaneous exercise of integration. Miscellaneous exercise of integration. Now the question number 1, I equal to integral 1 upon x minus x cube dx. Integral 1 upon x minus x cube dx. Now take x as a common. Integral 1 upon x 1 minus x square dx, and it can be written as 1 upon x 1 plus x 1 minus x dx. Clear? Now 1 upon x minus x cube equal to a upon x plus b upon 1 plus x plus c upon 1 minus x. Now this integration we solve by the rational function. Rational function. In rational function, it must be a proper function and proper and rational function. Proper and rational function, such that 1 upon x minus x cube equal to a upon x plus b upon 1 plus x plus c upon 1 minus x. Now take as the LCM x 1 plus x 1 minus x equal to a 1 minus x square plus b x 1 minus x plus c x 1 plus x. Clear? Now ax square bx minus bx square plus cx square upon x minus x cube. Now compare the value of both sides of numerator. Now compare the value from both sides and we get a equal to 1 minus a minus b plus c equal to 0 and b plus c equal to 0. So therefore minus b plus c equal to 1 and c equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we get the value of a, b and c. यहाँ पर जब कोई फंक्शन प्रॉपर हो, रेशनल हो, तो वो फ्रैक्शन की तरह से निकलेगा. इसे हम फ्रैक्शन के रूप में कर लेंगे और सिंप्लीफाई करके ए बी सी की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. इसको कहते हैं रेशनल फ्रैक्शन इंटीग्रेशन. क्लियर? Now integration 1 upon x dx minus 1 upon 2 1 upon 1 plus x dx minus 1 upon plus 1 upon 2 1 upon 1 minus x dx. We integrate this fraction to get log x minus 1 upon 2 log 1 plus x and minus 1 upon 2 log 1 minus x plus c. This can be written as 2 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus x 1 by 2 log 1 minus x plus c. 1 by 2 log x square minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus x plus 1 minus x plus c. 1 by 2 log x square minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x square plus c. So 1 by 2 log x square upon 1 minus x square plus c. This is the required result of following integration. Clear? Okay. Next as the integral second integral 1 upon under root x plus a plus under root x plus b dx. Such type of integration we rationalize to simplify. अगर इस तरह के आपको इंटीग्रेशन या फ्रैक्शन दिए गए हैं तो ऐसे फ्रैक्शन में रैशनलाइजेशन इज ए सुटेबल सिंप्लीफिकेशन. रैशनलाइजेशन जो होगा वो सबसे सुटेबल सिंप्लीफिकेशन होगा, जहाँ पे 1 अपॉन x plus a x plus b dx multiply x plus a x plus b x plus a x plus b dx and x plus a minus x plus b upon x plus a minus x plus b dx. That's equal to 1 upon a minus b integration x plus a x plus b dx. That's equal to a minus b integration x plus a power 1 by 2 x plus b power 1 by 2 dx equal to 1 upon a minus b x plus a power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x plus b power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. That's equal to 2 by 3 a minus b x plus a power 3 by 2 minus x plus b 3 by 2. Clear? Plus c. Next, integral 1 upon x under root ax minus x square dx. x under root ax minus x square dx. Now 1 upon x into x a upon x minus 1 dx integral x square under root a upon x minus 1 dx. Let a upon x minus 1 equal to t. A minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to dt. 1 upon x square dx is equal to minus 1 upon a dt. 1 upon x square dx 1 upon x square dx इसकी जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे माइनस 1 अपॉन ए डी टी. सो इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट टी माइनस 1 अपॉन ए dt, that's equal to minus 1 upon a integral 1 upon under root t dt, that's equal to minus 1 upon a integral t power minus 1 by 2 dt and minus 1 by a t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So minus 1 upon a t power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, that's equal to plus c, that's equal to minus 2 by a t power 1 by 2 plus c minus 2 by a minus 2 by a t power 1 by 2 and equal to minus 2 by a upon x minus 1 under root plus c. This is the required result. Clear? Question number 8. E power 5 log x integral e power 5 log x minus e power 4 log x e power 4 log x upon e power 3 log x minus e power 2 log x dx, that's equal to x power 5 x power 4 upon x power 3 minus x power 2 dx. X power 4 as a common, x minus 1 upon x square x minus 1 dx. X minus 1 cancel and that is x square dx. That is x square dx and integrate x power 3 upon 3 plus c. Clear? Now e power 5 log x, that's equal to x power 5. Now thank you.